Hello friends, let us see the next question in our series MCQ for you. I'm Dr. Amit Desai. I take lectures in surgery and anatomy for FMGE and NEET PG examinations. All right, so let us see the next question. The most common type of mesenteric cyst is, and what are the options that they have given us? They have said that enterogenous, gynolymphatic, urogenital, or teratomatous. Now, which out of these is the commonest? So the answer to this question is gynolymphatic. This is the most common type of mesenteric cyst. Okay. So if you look at the mesenteric cyst, as the name suggests, it is a cystic lesion in the mesentery. You must have known that recently mesentery has been awarded the status of another separate organ. All right. So it is a cyst in the mesentery. Now it is usually seen in the second decade of life. As far as male and females are concerned, it is more common in females as compared to males. Now, what are the various types? So as we said, the commonest type is the gynolymphatic variety. Gynolymphatic variety. Then the other type is enterogenous. Now remember, in enterogenous, you have to resect the corresponding intestine, right? It is intimately related to the blood supply of the intestine. So one has to resect the corresponding intestine when we are operating. So sometimes they might ask you a question, which is that type of mesenteric cyst where you have to resect the corresponding intestine, and the answer then becomes enterogenous. Then you have something called as a simple or a mesothelial variety. Simple or a mesothelial variety. Then there is something which is a remnant of the urogenital system. So it is called as the urogenital variety of mesenteric cyst. Okay, it's basically the remnant. And there is one more, which is the teratomatous cyst. The other name for teratomatous cyst is also called as dermoid cyst. Okay, so these are the various kinds of mesenteric cyst, but the commonest out of them is the gynolymphatic variety of mesenteric cyst. All right. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel ADSL Academics. Please hit the like button and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified about all our videos that come later on. Thank you very much.